Dear students, now we are going to discuss an instantaneous description of PDA. This is also called as informal definition. What we have defined the PDA in the previous video, that is 711, is a formal definition of PDA, and now we are discussing the informal definition of the PDA. The informal definition is a triple format one and is given as Q, W, K, where Q belongs to set of states and W belongs to input alphabet, where K belongs to set of stack symbols. Here the informal definition gives the information about the current state and stack symbol. Coming to the next topic, this is important for 2 marks, and the description mainly gives us the information about the current state and the stack symbols. The next topic is acceptance by a PDA. Generally, how the finite automata accepts the string. See, for example, if you take the string AB, starting from the initial state, say Q0, traversing the string one by one, that is A, next to B. After traversing the total string, you must be in the state, that is final state. Then you can say the string is accepted by the finite automata, right? Coming to the PDA. Here, acceptance of a string can be declared in 2 ways. One is by empty stack. And the second way is by final state. Let us see in detail. First, by empty stack. Here, if the string is going to be accepted, then it has to fulfill the 2 conditions. One is the string must completely traverse and the second condition is after completing the traversing of the string, you must be in the stage that the stack is going to be empty. This thing is going to be mathematically notated like you have considered a string W which belongs to an input alphabet such that the string is started with an initial state, traversing the string by taking each input symbol and bottom symbol of the stack. Then it takes us to the other state and does some operation on the stack like pushing the symbol into the stack or popping the symbol from the stack. This transitions will repeat till the entire string is traversed. That means the string gets emptied. After all this thing has happened, we'll get the stack to be emptied. This represents that the string is going to be accepted by an empty stack. Coming to the second way, that is by final state. Here also, in order to say the string is going to be accepted by the PDA through the final state, it must satisfy two conditions. One, string must completely traverse, and the other is, after completing the traversing of string, you must be in the final state. The mathematical notation of this thing is, you consider a string W which belongs to an alphabet such that starting from the initial state, taking the input symbol from the string and bottom symbol of the stack takes us to the other state and does some operation like push or pop. This transitions repeats till the string gets emptied. But here we will not make the stack as empty. We will keep the Z0 as the bottom symbol remain same. If you do like this, you can say the string is accepted by the PDA through final state.